there, Lisa Arana here, and welcome to another Assemble This video. Today's card is all about this darling little owlie in a snow globe and tips for using rubber stamps with digital cut files. I'm featuring the Shakin Things Up stamp set from Unity Stamp Company. It is so perfect for holiday cards or just a cute winter hello. And the matching digital cut file is perfect for those who do not love to fussy cut around their images. It'll create the perfect border every time. I have my supplies ready to go, so let's go ahead and get started and get stamping. Your MISTI or stamp platform is going to be your friend for this technique. You could also use an Art Impression Stamp Positioner or EK Success Stamp-A-Majig if you do not have a MISTI. But the MISTI really makes this technique super easy and you'll never regret investing in one. I'm getting everything lined up straight to stamp on my card front. I'm using Neenah 110 pound cardstock, and I'll stamp the owl with Gina K Amalgam ink in jet black. And then I'll stamp the sentiment in Gina K ink as well in Blue Lagoon. I'm just using the grid lines on my MISTI door just to make sure everything is straight. While I'm stamping, let's talk about digital cut files. Unity Stamp Company does not make steel dies for their stamps, so you can't really run those through a die cut machine. But you can purchase digital cut files for use in a Silhouette Cameo or Cricut with the software that doesn't require the use of a cartridge. Unity provides the digital cut files that you purchase, download, and then import into your cutting machine software. There are lots of YouTube videos for how to use these in each machine, so I really recommend doing a search and watching a few videos before you purchase, just to make sure that they will be compatible with your machine software. I have a Silhouette Cameo, and I use that to cut out the outline of the snow globe, and then also save the area around the outline just to create a mask. I'm layering that over my previously stamped image on my card base, and I'm just tacking that mat down with some washi tape, and then placing in my cut file in the middle of that. That's just going to create perfect placement for stamping. I haven't moved anything on my MISTI or my card base, so I know the position is perfect. And I'm just going to ink up my stamp and then stamp that directly over my die cut. The image wasn't quite perfect, so I'm just going to do that one more time so I get a nice solid image on that die cut. If you don't like to fussy cut, digital cut files are perfect. They create the perfect little border around your stamped image, and then you don't have to do the cutting yourself. Now that I've stamped this twice, it looks pretty perfect. There's a nice solid image, and I'm just going to remove the mask and the digital die cut, and I colored him in with some Copic markers. I'm going to be adding some glitter, so I did a little bit of an embossing buddy just to make sure static was as low as possible, just because I'm going to be using loose glitter. And then I'm going to add some glossy accents just to the snow globe part around the owl. And I'm just doing a solid layer. And then once I have a nice layer of glossy accents, I'm using this loose glitter. It's by Dress My Craft, called Sparkling Dust. And I'm just going to sprinkle that over the top of the glossy accents, kind of tap it off. Make sure that I don't have anything loose. And it's going to really grab onto that glossy accents. It's probably pretty safe at this point to use. I'm going to pop that up using some foam adhesive and put that on my card base. Like I said, the glitter is probably pretty stuck on there, but I'm obsessed with glitter getting everywhere, and that really bothers me. So I'm just going to add on another layer of glossy accents just to seal in that glitter so it doesn't fall off my card when I mail this to somebody that I love. So here is the finished card with the fun and adorable snow globe alley, all colored in with Copic markers. We used a cutting file to make fussy cutting super easy, and then added a bit of sparkle and snow globe shine with glossy accents and glitter. I'll have all the supplies linked in the description of this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you have any questions or a sweet comment, post below. I really do love to read each and every one, and I'll definitely respond to any questions. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye.